Hello, my name's Carl, and this is the Strawbyte workshop, a little origami model of the thing itself. It's in my garden. Anyway, this is a short video to announce that at the beginning of May, I too will be at Maker Central. I'm really looking forward to meeting like-minded makers and some of my YouTube heroes, I suppose, some of the people that have inspired me to create content and upload that onto YouTube for myself. So anyway, if you see me at the show, I'll have a bag with the little paper template to allow you to create your own little Strawbyte workshop. And all I ask for is a sub on the channel. That's about it. Anyway, that's all for now, and see you at the show. Cheerio.